Hi guys, thanks for watching PuffinGolf. I've got my first new training aid, which is the DST Compressor. I've got it in Wedge. Looks like a normal wedge, got a very wide sole. I'll explain why that is in a moment. So here it is laying on the floor. The wedge itself has a curved shaft. The reason behind the curved shaft is so that the address position closely replicates the optimal impact position. In other words, it's to get your hands forward and to lower the dynamic loft of the club. So if we have a look down there, as you can see, if you put the wedge flat on the floor, then it pushes your hands forward, which is something that I do need to do within my golf swing. This scooping action that I've got around the golf ball. So hopefully this club will enable me to cut that out, if you like. Just run through a few specifics about the wedge. The design loft is 58 degree. Dynamic loft is 48 degrees, so that's 10 degrees difference there. 35-inch shaft, Uniflex shaft with a rubber grip there. DST compressor wedge, hopefully it will help improve my game. Just showing you here side by side with my wedge and the DST wedge, so you can see the curve there in the shaft. Definitely it's going to assist me in getting the hands forward both at address and also when I'm actually striking the golf ball. So looking forward to trying this one. I'll show you a few first hits in a moment, but this is not a review of the wedge itself, but this is just my take on it.